How to access Webmail in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to access Webmail. You can either browse the URL webmail.yourdomain.com, where yourdomain.com is your domain name, or click the Mail tab. Then click this icon next to the email account you want to access. In this case, the default Webmail application is SmarterMail, so you would be presented with its login screen to log in. That's it. You can now manage your email directly from here, from within Plesk. If you prefer, you can set up your account to work with an email client, such as Outlook, Thunderbird, or MacMail. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to access Webmail through Plesk.